Now, you've got degrees here and you've got degrees there. So as you can see, the degree signs are going to cancel. And you're left with only one unit. You're left with just joules. Okay? So, and that makes sense. Energy should be equal to joules. You wouldn't expect it to be equal to anything else. Okay? So now, if you calculate that, and if I can find my calculator, I left my calculator somewhere, you will figure out the answer. So, in this case, the energy is going to be equal to, that would be 2 decimal places, so 1960 times by 4.18, which is something joules. I can't figure it out. I don't have my calculator here with me. But that is the energy that the M&Ms provided, okay, for the water, all right? Now, if you actually know the mass of your M&M, you can find an interesting thing, okay? If you know that the mass of your M&M in this particular case, the mass of M&M happened to be 1.32 grams. So that was how much M&M you had in that little container there. You can work out the delta H, okay, the heat of combustion of this particular reaction. Because the delta H tells you how much energy something produces per gram or per mole, okay? So it's known as the heat of combustion, all right, or the enthalpy. Okay, so what we do is we take the energy that the M&Ms provided. So we take this value here of, and remembering that this is in joules, okay? It's very important to realize that they're in joules. Then we divide it by the amount of gram of M&M you had. So you had 1.32 grams of M&M, okay? And once you plug that into your calculator, you are able to figure out the enthalpy of this system. Okay, just keep in mind that generally in chemistry exams, they want you to express your answer in kilojoules per gram, not joules, okay? So let's have a look. The delta H is going to be, if you divide this by 1,000, it's going to be 1.96 times 4.18 kilojoules divided by 1.32 grams. Okay, and finally you just get your answer there. Alright, so I hope you learned something today, and in the next few tutorials we'll be going through more problems. Now, I invite you to look through all the other videos that I have made. There's some really good VCE advice that I want everyone to listen to, because it will just prevent you guys doing like certain mistakes that I might have done in the past. So I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, and I'll see you later.